August 2013. The train is leaving Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. this morning. There it is.
There's